And both Mustangs lined up on the grid. Gonna have to stop here and take a picture real quick. Well, that is cool to see. And then look at that beautiful Ford Mustang. Pretty. Also got McLaren. I think that's a Golf McLaren, I'm not sure. Aston Martin sitting there getting ready. But look at those beautiful Mustangs. I'm very excited to see how these guys do. See how well they do against the Corvettes, that's for sure.
Everybody has that's up here in the sharp end here. I won't say it's much of
Here comes the GTD non-pro Mustang. This is a pretty Mustang here too.
That means it might be going right to the top of the chart class. So.
Yeah. Kind of gives you that Miami vibe.
Number 10,
ooh, that's second car.
Acura ERX 06 from Wayne Taylor Racing
Ooh, nice brakes.
Driving for the Delta curve.
But it's got the middle mounted exhaust system. So it's all in the middle, which is interesting. Yeah, it's a pretty car.